Hello guys, now we will learn how we can make a YouTube thumbnail by using a PowerPoint. Simply guys, go to PowerPoint, open a new slide, blank presentation. As you can see, delete all content inside. Okay, now I want to change the background color by right click and click format background. Here guys, we can select some color. I will select this one. As you can see, I will select this color. Okay, now I want to insert some text. In the insert tab, go to text box and insert your text. Okay, make YouTube thumbnail. Okay, increase font size. I want to select theme font. Okay, bold. You can select the color of font. Now guys, you can insert some picture or PNG picture. I have someone. You can search in Google like YouTube PNG logo. Okay, as you can see, we can save as desktop and save this PNG file. As you can see, save this PNG file in desktop. Okay, click save. Okay, also you can insert some picture, laptop, cartoon, PNG. Also you can insert many picture you want, PNG picture. Okay, as you can see, now go to your file or your desktop where you are saved this picture, drag and drop into your slide. Okay, that's it. Also you can drag and drop YouTube logo. Okay, we can change the color of thumbnail. Okay, and now insert PowerPoint logo. As you can see guys, so easy. Okay. Also we can insert some shapes. Okay. You can insert and change the color of this shape. Double click, shape fill, okay, red, shape outline black. We can increase line weight, okay, and also double click in the PowerPoint logo, go to correction and give some brightness. Okay, that's it. Now we have a awesome thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now go to file, save as, browse desktop, go to save as type and click JPEG file format, presentation 1, save, just this one. Okay, now we have presentation 1, a thumbnail picture.